Alright, so it's like been a week after. We were supposed to shoot last week, but it was like fucking raining and shit, man. It was like so bad, but we're here this week, fucking hyped. We're shooting an E92 and it's right in front. I don't know if you can see it, it's actually pretty far. But yeah, fucking hype. You fucking hype, Danny?
Yeah, man.
Fucking so awkward. It's like, yeah, man. Alright, so yeah, we'll be heading there right now. Shooting at kind of a court or cul-de-sac, I don't know how you'd call it. Lighting there is pretty lit, so super excited. I'm trying to figure out what type of shots I'll be doing. Been watching other people's videos to get inspiration, so I kind of don't like fuck up this week. I don't know, but yeah. Release plate. Got to location 2. Location 1 was taken, unfortunately. There was like cars everywhere. It's kind of awkward vlogging in public. Kind of fucking weird, but yeah. Gonna go shoot at location 2. Go on the other side of the road. Yeah. I think coming from the stairs. Alright. I'm gonna put manual focus. Where? Maybe a little bit more in, like in the actual alley. That's fine. Should be okay. Yeah, it's good.
To what?
Just walking straight. You just have to walk straight. Your face is not in it. It's just the back of your head. No, it's from the top of your body.
Oh, okay. Oh, but then I've got love handles. I wore retail shorts today.
No, I'll get ready.
He'll edit you out. Yeah, walk that way.
Yeah, hold on. I need to figure out. Just stand there. Just stand there for a sec. Face that way. Hold up.
Hey, your money fell out again.
Right. Wait, just stand there, face straight. Just stand there, just don't do anything. Alright, it's taller than expected. Fuck. Tana, can you put the screen down a little bit? Tana? Cheers. Okay. Just walk straight, just slowly. Alright, a little faster than that. Alright, just keep walking straight. Alright, come back and then do it getting out of the car. Come back. Oh.
I think you saw our faces.
Oh. This guy's all good. Alright, and just keep walking straight. A little bit slower. Again. You weren't in the shot. Again. Again. A little faster than that. Normal speed. Just walk normal. You walk like that? Really? Faster than that? We're good. Oh, for like 10. Go about 10. Go like 10. Can you go 10? Go 10. Okay, 10's a little bit too fast. That's a little bit too fast. Okay, 10's too fast. Shit. I'm like running and shit. Yeah. Stop. Alright, yeah, about 10 again and I'll record you going off. And I'll meet you in the next alley, okay? Huh? No, just I'll record you now. Yeah, 10 and then go off. And I'll meet you in the next alley. Alright, go. Yeah. Ran for no reason. Just walking to the second location now. I got done with the first, gonna start filming the second one, and then we should be good for rollers. Actually, no, go straight a bit. Yeah, stop. Or not. Yeah. A little bit more diagonal actually, a little bit more. Diagonal to the right. Yeah, you go right a bit more. Yeah, good. I just got done filming. It was kind of all over the place this time around. We were kind of busy. Didn't know where to get the rollers, but hopefully I have enough. But so far so good. Check it out. This car is fucking crazy. I'll tell you that.